Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Midlife Crisis. I'm Craig, and today we've got something special for you. As many of you know, I bought my Porsche 911 GT4 used. And when you buy a used supercar, sports car, exotic, you don't necessarily always get to spec it. I've actually never got to spec a brand new exotic or supercar, so I'm stuck modifying it. And today, in this box, which says Handle with Fragile Care, we've got a modification that came from a Porsche 911 991 that we're gonna stick in the 981. So for those of you that are looking to upgrade, make modifications to your 981 GT4, 981 Cayman, what have it, a lot of the parts are interchangeable with the 991 series and the 911. So today's modification is probably one of the simplest ones you can do, but I think it's a really nice touch to the interior. So we're gonna get to this unboxing. Make sure that you drop a like down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more modifications to the Porsche. So this is a used part that we bought on eBay from FB Parts Brokers LLC. I'll put a link in the description down below. So I don't really have a link that I can provide to you that's gonna say, hey, go purchase this one. I'm always searching for 991, 981 parts on eBay, gently used, recycled, anything that would potentially make my specification or my build all that much better. So let's dig into it. Fragile. They did a really good job of packing. Probably overpacked for what this is. It's like getting to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop.
Mr. Owl, how many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
Let's find out. 1, 2, 3.
All right, this is a logoed center console from a 991 911. Not sure if it's turbo, what it was, but it's in the same Race-Tex kind of grayish black charcoal color as my existing interior. So it's going to match up really nicely. And I just hope that it is in great shape. What do you think? It's got the Porsche logo right across the armrest right there. Genuine Porsche 991. If you guys are interested in the part number, there it is. But you can see all the clips, everything are in really good shape. Gonna look awesome. Let's go show you what we're gonna be replacing. So this is what we're replacing. The center armrest console in my 981 GT4. As you can tell, there's nothing on it. It's just gray. There's nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't say Porsche. Slight upgrade, pretty easy fix. But as you can tell, it is the exact same Race-Tex. But this one has the logo. So now we're going to show you how to replace this for whatever reason. Maybe you want to get a leather one. Maybe the Alcantara is all tore up and you need to replace it. Whatever the reason is, it's a really pretty simple fix. Only requires one tool, and it's all accessible from right underneath here. The only tool you're going to need to make this modification is the T25 Torx. There's a total of 8 Torx holding in the armrest to the plastic part of the console. All right, all 8 are out. It doesn't hurt to have a little magnet tray to keep all of your Torx in the same spot. So all you have to do now is you have to just pull it up. As you can see, it's got the 2 clips up front, and then it's got the different 8 Torx holes. Nothing special, pretty easy to get on and off. Let's get the new one on and check it out. All right, to get the new one in, we're going to slide it from the front back. Make sure that those front clips are catching. All right, to get the new one on, we're gonna just make sure that those front clips are catching in. Snapped in, pop it back up, and put our 8 Torx back in. And I like to, zigzag the pattern just so it gets snugged down. Now, don't snug it down completely till the very end. That way you get an even fit. And now that you have all 8 in, go ahead and just give them one last snug, making sure that they are completely hand tight. All right, now that you got them all tight, let's take a look and see how she looks. All right, tell me what you think down in the comments below. No, it's just a subtle change, very simple modification, but I think it looks absolutely awesome. Got the embossed Porsche logo in the Race-Tex. I think it's absolutely just the right touch to add to the overall interior. Well, when your used Porsche just isn't what you wanted and you never got to spec it from the beginning, sometimes you got to do a little bit of modification. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. Was the 991 armrest change with the Porsche logo a good modification or a bad modification? I absolutely love it. I think it looks great. I think it adds something. It's just the right amount of change in the interior. So I hope you liked the video. Hope this was helpful. If you ever need to change out the armrest in your 981, 991 Porsche, it's the same procedure. 8 torques and you're done. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more Porsche content. And until next time, see you later.